Hey there, so I want to review the Dyson V7. This thing is incredible. We've had it for a couple years now, and it's perfect. So the actual piece looks like this. You can hear the power, right? This thing picks up everything. It's so easy to use. And the attachments, very simple. Hopefully this is showing up. I'll show you exactly what we do to use this. So, very easy to assemble. You'll see here, part, and there's the opening here. And you just slide it on, and it clicks into place. Then you do the same thing up top here. You find where the slot is, plug it in, and the ball head thing here moves around great. So I'll show you me cleaning our apartment. I want you to see how this works underneath the couch. Okay, so it's super easy to charge too. Just plugs into the wall. So see here. Plugs into the wall, and then you've got this piece here. And I've seen people where they attach it to a wall. We move around a lot, so we can't really do that. But the piece here goes directly into it. And then it plugs in, and you'll see it turns blue, show you that it's charging. So it's really easy to use. My girlfriend loves this thing so much. So when we don't have it at certain places, she misses it, which tells you a lot about how good this thing actually is. So highly recommend. Super easy to empty as well. You'll see there's a little trash logo here, and all you gotta do is pull up on that, and the bottom pops open and it empties right into the trash.